Alright folks, welcome back. Figured I'd bring you folks along real quick while I'm installing my liner here. As you folks know, the floor's already been rubberized and coated. That way, I guess if this leaks over time, of course remember it's treated wood, but if it this leaks over time, then that won't soak up the water. What I've tried to do also is pull these up a little higher in the corners. That way, if you see, if I push down the corner of my foot, it wants to pull the plastic or the vinyl. And what I'm hoping to do is I'll put my rocks in the corner first, pull these wrinkles out best I can, and that way it'll stretch the fabric or stretch the liner out. Stapled these walls up as high as the liner will allow me. Two reasons I stapled it up high. One, if I make a mistake or if I need to fix it, adjust it, I can pull the staples loose. And the holes are in the very top of the liner, not in the bottom, down here in the corner. I want water to seep through. And then of course I can either staple them here once I adjust this, either up or down. Plenty of leeway. I didn't really have a game plan on putting the liner in here other than the fact I wanted to run up the walls as much as it would allow me, and that I wanted the liner to lap underneath where my water may come in and go down the walls. Over here also, I probably should have put the liner higher up over here than there, but as long as it's up the wall, it should be okay. If you don't know anything about a mews, it's not like, this is not something you come and clean every day, or it's not something that you come and rinse out with a pressure washer every day. Even if you do clean it, and when you do clean it, you have certain areas that are known for the birds to have a big mess, except for the molt. Then of course you got a lot of feathers and stuff. But you try to waterproof, or you try to put something behind where the bird's going to be most of the time. This is what I've learned so far. That way it'll catch most of the crap, and you can wash it off. And you come in here occasionally, like once every 3 months or so, and pressure wash it or rinse it out. So it's not going to be a lot of water in here all the time, other than it's going to be a bath pan. Bird's going to have a bath pan. And then on the floor here, move my assistant out the way there. Here we go. Floor here, went ahead and cut a hole. I have a hole saw. I had one hole saw that was too big, and I had another one that was too small. I needed a 4-inch, but I had a 2.5 inch, and I had a 6-inch. So I took 2.5 inch and just made several cuts, and then used the saber saw, jigsaw, whatever, and cut around. And what I'm hoping to do, go get my drain out. What I'm hoping to do was going from the bottom and this drain here, as you can see. Hold that. Drain, I'll cut just a small slit in here, folks. Then I'll run it around the edge of this threads and feed it down. So basically around here should be somewhat waterproof. And of course I've got gaskets to fit around here on top of this lip. And then this will fit down in the hole. It's a little tight now because I put a liner on there. So there it goes. It'll fit down in there, and then they'll screw into this from the bottom. So that's the gist of that, folks. Gotta cut a hole in it right there. Slip. All right, so this is where we're at. I kind of, I don't know how many you folks are gonna be out here looking to build one of these here in the future. I just kind of wanted to add this step in here because I know there's a lot of questions on a lot of the forums about flooring and floors, waterproofing and stuff. And I'm not saying this is the right way to do it, or this is the wrong way to do it, or the only way to do it, but this is the way that I'm doing it. And I'm trying to waterproof this thing as best I can. And I'm trying to minimize the moisture too. But that's point, part of the drain here. Minimize the moisture. If you guys have any ideas, something I can do better, let me know. And any suggestions, I'd appreciate it. If not, like and subscribe to the channel. Share the content if you find it interesting. I'd appreciate it. And for now, me and my helper here, see you later.